The Kuki Students Organization General Headquarters KSOGHQ has unleashed a barrage of criticism against a recent article published by Swarajya characterizing it as a grave distortions of facts concerning the plight of meiteis in Manipur. The KSOGHQ has accused Swarajya of propagating a biased narrative, contending that the contents of the article not only mislead but also show discord among communities. Dismissing allegations of systematic disenfranchisement of meiteis by Kuki organizations, the top student body of the Kuki community refuted claims of obstructing democratic rights, citing a lack of evidence to substantiate such accusations. Furthermore, the KSOGHQ contested the portrayal of meiteis enduring dire conditions in relief camps due to alleged persecutions by Kukis, denouncing it as a fabrication aimed to mercilessly tarnishing the image of the Kuki community. Calling for journalistic integrity to prevail, the KSOGHQ implored media outlets to uphold the principles of responsible reporting. They urged Swarajya and others to retract the article and issue a public apology for interpreting falsehood.